Today we are making mini pie pops. Turned out so cute and they're so much fun. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. The first pie pop we are going to make is a Nutella filled pie pop. 2 cups of Nutella, 1 egg, and a 1/4 cup of flour, and then you mix it all together. It kind of gets really sticky, kind of like cookie dough. You can make your own pie crust if you like. I just use store-bought pie crust. Then we are going to roll out our pie crust, and then we're gonna cut out hearts. You can see these are my little pie pop molds, and we're gonna start cutting out the hearts. Then we're gonna pick up one of the little heart cutouts and we're gonna press it on the top of our pie mold. And you can see it's making the lattice for the top of our pie. So fun. Look how cute it is. I love it so much. Now it's time to fill our pie. So we're gonna flip over our little pie mold and we're going to make sure that we put some butter on it, flour, so that it doesn't stick when we put it in the mold. And then we're gonna put another little heart cut out right in our mold and kind of push it around, make sure it fits in there really nicely, make a little well in the middle for our pie filling, and then we are gonna brush the sides with our egg wash. Now it's time to fill it with our Nutella. You can see it looks kind of more like cookie dough. That is the right consistency. We're gonna push it right into our little pie crust. Then we're gonna add our stick because these are pie pops. We're gonna put the top lattice heart cutout right on top, kind of press it in there nicely, and then we get the top of our pie mold and we're gonna close it together, push it in there so the sides get nice and sealed off. Then we'll pop them out of the molds, make sure the sides are sealed really well, and then we'll set them on a parchment sheet covered cookie sheet. We're gonna bake our Nutella pie pops at 350. We're gonna bake them for about 15 minutes until the top of your pie is golden brown. Look how cute. They baked up so cute and so well. All right, now we're gonna top our pies with, I just straight up melted Nutella, and that is what we drizzled on top of these pie pops. So yummy. And of course we had to top them off with the dust of powdered sugar. This time we are going to make a cherry filled pie. We're going to do the exact same thing as we did for the Nutella pies. We're just filling them with cherry pie filling instead. to top off these cherry pies, I just made some icing really quick and we just drizzled it on top and of course added some sprinkles. These little pies turned out so much better than I thought they would, and my kids and family loved them so much. I will link where I got the pie molds in my description. Thanks so much for watching at Chili's Bakes Cakes, and have an awesome day, guys.